Okay, one-step equations type 4. So now we're still solving one-step equations. We still want to think about our inverse operations to help us solve them. So our first equation that Delta Math is giving us is u divided by -6 equals -3. And again, this might be very intuitive for you, but we really want to focus on the process because as the problems get harder, we need to have that foundational skill to fall back on, right? So how is that -6 attached to our u? It's attached by division. Our solving steps tell us, hey, we want to do the opposite of division. So the opposite of dividing is multiplying. And if I do it to one side of my equal sign, I must do the same thing to both sides of my equal sign to keep my equation balanced. -6 divided by -6 is equal to 1u, and -3 times -6 gives me a positive 18. So I know u is equal to 18. Okay. And of course, if I wanted to check my work, I could plug that back in. 18 divided by -6, does that equal -3? Yes, it does. Okay, so I know that that is the correct answer. Okay, come back over here, type in my 18, submit, submit. All right, Delta Math likes it. Let's see if they give us any other kinds of problems here. Nope, it looks like there's still all that dividing, one-step dividing problems. Okay, so same process for all of your one-step division problems.